You know, they say when someone dies violently like that, their spirit can linger.
What do you mean?
I'm saying you might have a disembodied spirit in your house.
Wow, this is so cool!
Hazardous materials warning for the state of Alaska. A catastrophic failure has occurred on the direct-TV satellite Spaceway-1, causing the battery to explode and fall out of its orbit. The remains of the satellite are likely to fall in the Matanuska-Susitna Borough region, although it is not known yet if other remains will fall in other regions of Alaska. If falling debris from the sky is spotted in your area, evacuate immediately from the area, do not go near the satellite remains, and report it to the authorities.
That's what the press would have you believe, but he's not. Bruce Jenner is a woman. An elegant, beautiful Dutch woman.
Okay, guys, now